NNE Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Nano Nuclear Energy seems like it's just blowing the crap, you know, out of the freaking highs, and I love it. You know, it's going up. Context, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, and have documented everything. With NNE stock, it all began from here. You know, when I said this, here's the proof of me calling it out way like on the high time frame, like a while back. You know, I'm talking with the price sitting at 874 3 months ago. Since then, now we're 32 bucks, and I was like since then aiming towards these highs. And let me show you the proof of this. People think I'm lying, but I really mean like what I say. Since then, I was aiming for those $37 highs. You can see that's here. So call that way beforehand, and slowly but surely we're like starting to take things up. And like in the meantime, I just wanted to double down even more on this. Fortunately, here like the double break was not met, and it just went without me. But that's beyond the point. What matters most is like this high time frame approach that's actually still delivering, which is phenomenal. If I see like retracements and whatnot, I'm still would not want to miss out on this more buys. But yeah, that's how NNE looks like for me as of right now. It's not financial advice, it's just my own opinion. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.